Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very attractive and beautiful ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut. Eye-catching hair dye. And many much more stylish ideas. Latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. Fine hairstyle. Messy hairstyle. So beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle. Beautiful spike with undercut. And trendy ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut. Shaggy haircut, wedge haircut. And different type of cut. Some ideas layered, some ideas step. And so attractive ideas of undercut and shaved art. Stylish and trendy ideas of undercut and shaved art. Beautiful ideas of lines design. Some ideas electric designs. Stylish collection of zigzag designs. Eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Blonde color, burgundy color. Light brown, dark brown. Black color, grey color. Some ideas in funky colors. And so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, in funky colors. Different ideas of base color. And many much more stylish ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. You look very attractive. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video. Share my video with your friends, your family members and others. Please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.